to The Grey Zone with Ali Manzoor, a show where we challenge assumptions, stereotypes, viewpoints on various complex issues, and hopefully foster critical thinking. With us today is Mashal Hussain Malik. Mashal is the wife of Yasin Malik, chairman of Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, who is also serving a life sentence in India. She's educated at the London School of Economics and Political Sciences. She receives the United Nations Women Excellence Award for Peace and the Human Rights Award in 2020, the National Women's Rights Awards in 2018, served as ambassador to PM on human rights and women empowerment. She is also an amazing artist. Mashal, welcome to my show.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you for inviting me.
Acha, Mashal, so my show is called The Grey Zone, and the reason for that is because the world is black and white, and I think the grey gets hidden. So I want to ask you about the Mashal behind the black and the white that the world sees, the mother, the insan. So tell me something about yourself.
I don't know, just I'm a carefree person and a restless soul and a die-hard romantic, yes. And I always, since my childhood, I always dreamt of a very beautiful romance, something like a fairy tale, and just loving beautiful sceneries, beautiful people, fashion, and glamour, music, poetry. So all those things attracted me, all the nice things about life, the perfumes, lipsticks, and nail polishes, and everything to do with style, and. But I think life was, I don't know what destiny had planned for me, but yes, I do keep these interests with me even till date. Yeah, they're a part of me. I think it's very important to, have your individuality. And I think I got this inherited from my parents that we all have to be, not a copy of someone, but just an individual presence. And आई थिंक आर्ट आपको लिबरेट भी कर देती है. आर्ट में बैरियर्स होते ही नहीं है ना. आर्टिस्ट का ये मतलब तो नहीं होता कि यू ड्राइंग फॉर कमर्शियल, लाइक ये बिकेगी पेंटिंग, खाली ये तो नहीं होता ना. बिकॉज आई थिंक आर्ट ने मुझे शुरू से एक चीज़ सिखाई है कि देर इज़ नो लिमिट टू योर इमेजिनेशन एंड टू द स्ट्रोक ऑफ योर ब्रश. तो वही है, वही उसी बिंदास तरीके से. या
I'm sorry मैं आपकी बात काट रहा हूँ, but I'm going to link it to art. So let's talk to Mashal, the artist. Your life has been a palette of colors, right? And how do you see them on the canvas?
I've made some amazing artwork. I think I've really enjoyed figurative art and portraits. मैंने बहुत सी बनाई है, मज़ा आता है मुझे. I don't know final result क्या होता है, but ये है कि I just love those moments when I'm drawing someone or some imaginative thing or some real person sitting in front of me and trying to capture the expressions. And then the way you're inquisitive about me, right? Your gray zone. So through my paintings, if I'm drawing someone, I try to go into the depth of that person,
So
the
do you
soul.
think you go into your gray zone through
No,
your
not
art?
my gray zone. The gray zone of the person I'm painting.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I try to
Okay.
go inside, try to penetrate through that painting into their soul. तो बड़ा मज़ा आता है. ये भी एक समझे कि you unraveling the mysteries of the unknown through different, mediums.
So I'm going to link this further to art then. Every person has their why, right? Or their quest for their answers, right? Do you find your answers through art, or is it catharsis, or does it define your way forward?
3 P's:
3 P's.
prayers, paintings, and protesting.
There's also 4 P's of marketing: product, place, promotion, and pricing. Elaborating art in Pakistan, usually हमारे यहाँ art ज़्यादा significant होती है post high school, जब कोई बच्चा बोलता है कि भाई अब मैंने fine arts करना है या arts pursue करनी है. Since you're an advocate for art, you're an artist yourself, do you think we should make this art more accessible to the younger people as a medium of expression or just a medium of education for the children?
Of course, and we should have more and more art academies. We should have, art galleries. When I got married in Kashmir, and every second person is an artist in occupied Kashmir, like paper mache, walnut furniture that they make, crafting, embroideries, paper mache, and there's so much of talent there. But the first thing I asked Yasin was like, "Is there an art gallery here in
Okay.
Kashmir?" And there was none.
There's
And
none
then,
there?
yes, and I protested. So there is a protester in me. I was like, this is unbelievable. Like this is heaven on earth, and we don't have an art gallery here. Same manner, we don't have an art gallery in Azad Kashmir. So we need museums. We need to preserve art, culture, heritage. So I'm kind of sensitive, very sensitive towards uh, craft. Like you could call me in a way heritage revivalist or a craft revivalist kind of a, like advocating for the rights of artisans, especially in conflict zones like Kashmir, because I think कल्चर भी एक बहुत बड़ा आपकी टूल होती है आपकी आर्ट एक एक्सप्रेशन की, और अगर उसके लिए कोई एवेन्यूज़ ही ना हो तो फिर आप कैसे अपना वो एक्सप्रेशन रिकॉर्ड पे लाएंगे.
अच्छा, थोड़ा हिस्ट्री की तरफ आते हैं आपके साथ. यू सीम वेरी नॉलेजेबल अबाउट हिस्ट्री, माशाल्लाह, एज आई वाज टॉकिंग टू यू ऑफ कैमरा.
I don't know. Don't take a test from
I
me.
think I can safely say that Pakistan was conceptualized in London because of Roundtable Conference, Simon Commission, Cripps Mission, Cabinet Mission Plan, India's Act of 1935. You've studied political sciences in London. You've lived abroad. Your father was in Germany and born. What brought you to Pakistan?
No, I was doing it externally, this program, and London School of Economics ka. And we've traveled a lot. My dad was heading the economics department at Bond University. And when I got engaged to Yasin, because he happened to fall in love with a Pakistani, so the Indians kind of didn't like it. So they did this entire propaganda that I am a UK national and I'm not a Pakistani. So they wanted to hoodwink it and all. I'm very proud of being a Pakistani, and I think it's very important to go to the best universities for education. But at the same time, I think that is not my only credential, because I think what overpowers my personality is the rebellious soul. Like, there's no limit to questioning. There's no limit to your goals, because goals should always be larger than life. That's the way how I see life, that it should not be limited to few degrees or a career, a planned career. So I am kind of disorganized, unlike the saying of Jinnah, like unity, faith, discipline. So discipline is somehow not really present in my personality. It's like completely like unpredictable. The way life moves on, every day is like a climax. Any day, anything can happen, and it's like being in this kind of, especially in this revolution now, because I think if Gandhi was spinning khadi, I think I am after being married to Yasin and my paintings, of course, a way of expression that I think I'm spinning rebellionism in my soul and my, like, in my
On your
work, and yeah,
canvas.
yeah, on my canvas and in my work and my mission. Yeah.
Acha, so, if I say that the DNA for any progressive society or any progressive nation in the world is sustainability, culture, and values, right? And I want your views on these three because you're the chair of Peace and Culture Organization. And they say that all three, sustainability, culture, and values these days, are threatened globally.
Of course.
So, what's your views
I
on
think there
that?
are many advantages of globalization, but on the whole, like, your individuality or your, I think, nationality or your heritage, somehow it gets merged in East and West. So it's good to interact with the world, but keeping your own identity alive also and promoting the heritage, craft, culture or the tehzeeb. I think ये सारी चीज़ें जो होती हैं, ये बहुत मैटर करती हैं कि आपकी एक यूनिकनेस हो वर्ल्ड के अंदर. सो जैसा अब ईस्ट का फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर है हमारा, तब के जो the structure of marriage is something very sacred in the East. But with globalization, हमारा family structure बहुत सफ़र करने लग गया है. I mean, like, we're gaining positive traits from the West, but negative traits भी आ रहे हैं. तो ये हमारा I think हमारी बहुत बड़ी strength थी East की, family structure, family values. और इसके अंदर ये है कि अच्छा बुरा वक्त तो अब कौन है मेरे साथ खड़ा, मेरी फैमिली ही है ना. मतलब कि ये हमारी ट्रेडिशंस हैं, हमारे दोस्त लोग गमी खुशी में इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं. वेस्ट में उस तरह की नहीं होती हैं. वहाँ पे हमने अक्सर देखा है कि डिप्रेशन ज़्यादा इसलिए भी होता है. वहाँ की पॉजिटिव चीज़ें भी बहुत हैं, वहाँ स्पेस है, वहाँ फ्रीडम है, मेरिटोक्रेसी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं ग्रोथ करने की, थिंकिंग पे इतने बैरियर्स नहीं हैं. बट जो चीज़ें हमारी हैं, जो इंट्रिंसिक टू आवर नेचर, वो आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट हो रही हैं. तो उनको भी वी नीड टू प्रिजर्व दैम, वी नीड टू वैल्यू दैम, द पॉजिटिव साइड. जो नेगेटिव हैं हमारे ट्रेट्स हैं या जो हमारे फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू दी अदर जो कुछ नेगेटिव चीज़ें हमारी ट्रांसफ़र हो रही हैं वो डिमिनिश होनी चाहिए, बट द पॉजिटिव्स शुड बी, वी शुड वर्क ऑन mechanisms of how to internationalize them, our cuisine, our culture, heritage, and especially when कश्मीर की बात आती है तो खाली कश्मीर का मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि भी ज़मीन का नाम है, वहाँ लोग हैं। मुझे मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत तकलीफ़ देती है। कश्मीर हमारा है जी, कश्मीरी लोग हैं, ये उन्होंने डिसाइड करना है और वो फैसला देंगे यूएन की रेजोल्यूशन। हमने कश्मीरियों को बचाना है, वो हैं वारिस।
बिल्कुल।
पहले हमने उनकी जान बचानी है और जो उनका दिल है और उनकी तहज़ीब को, उनकी आइडेंटिटी, उनकी लैंग्वेज कितनी, उनकी जो एक कश्मीरियात की इतनी बड़ी 5000 साल पुरानी इतनी रिच हेरिटेज है। हब्बा खातून, लाल दीद, ये सारी जो, और उसमें बहुत एम्पावर्ड औरतों ने एक रेवोल्यूशन जो चलाई के बाद अभी भी जो डोगरा का जो रूल था उसको गिराने के अंदर मायसूमा की औरतें हमारी निकली थी। इट वाज द वुमेन। और मायसूमा में ही मेरी बाय चांस शादी हुई, जो कहते हैं लाल चौक जो है, गाज़ा स्ट्रिप ऑफ कश्मीर, वहाँ की औरतें पूरे कश्मीर में मशहूर हैं कि इनको कोई छेड़ नहीं सकता। तब देर लाइक लाइनसेस, they're gonna attack you if you dare look at them or their families, they're like that strong. So उनकी बहुत फाइटर स्पिरिट है।
अच्छा, एक मैं शेर पढ़ूंगा, शायद मैं गलत पढ़ लूँ। गर फिरदौस रूह बरा अस्त, हमें अस्त, हमें अस्त, हमें अस्त। द ग्रे झेलम, द टोकोइस नीलम, द ग्रीन हिमालयाज, द स्लोप्स, द वैलीज। कश्मीर इज जन्नत, आपकी बातों से भी मुझे लग रहा है, राइट? व्हाट आर सम ऑफ योर फेवरेट प्लेसेस एंड व्हाई?
आई थिंक आई लाइक द इंटायर कश्मीर। और मेरी अल्लाह ने दुआ भी सुनी बचपन से। आई यूज्ड टू प्रे कि अल्लाह मुझे ना एक तो जन्नत दिखा दे। कायदा है, क्योंकि एक आर्टिस्ट भी थी, ड्राइंग्स बनाना, फैसिनेट होना कि हेवन कैसा लगता है, हेवन में ये होता है वो होता है। सुनते हैं ना बचपन से, इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक
और
दिस,
हर
गोइंग टू
बंदे की
बी
एक जन्नत की परसेप्शन भी
यस,
होती है,
और
राइट?
मनो सलवा खाना, ये वो इस तरह की बातें बहुत फैसिनेट करती थी। सो फाइनली अल्लाह ने सुन ली और आई गॉट मैरिड, इट्स लाइक हेवन ऑन अर्थ। एंड द फर्स्ट एरियल व्यू, ओ माय गॉड, आई जस्ट स्क्रीम्ड। And the snowscape mountains and the streams, और वहाँ तो ग्रास भी अली, इट्स लाइक वेलवेट अल्लाह की तरफ से। यू सिट ऑन इट वेयरिंग अ वाइट सिल्क ड्रेस, रंग नहीं चढ़ेगा आपके ऊपर,
रियली?
नेचुरली अल्लाह की तरफ से है। ना कोई मच्छर है वहाँ पे, ना कीड़े हैं इस तरह, मतलब कि रंग ही नहीं चढ़ेगा आपके ऊपर घास का। यू कैन स्लीप ऑन इट आराम से, जैसे कोई वेलवेट का कंबल है।
वाओ!
It's that soft. And the birds are kingfisher birds, like multicolored birds everywhere. It's the
So
meadows.
really a
It's
slice of heaven, if I was
oh
to say
yes.
it. Kashmir is
And the
Jannat, huh?
oxygen is so rich, and your skin is like glowing as if you got out of a sauna or something. It's like your cheeks become naturally, they become pink. You don't need a blush on. It's like you're like shining bright.
I see
बहुत
your eyes
खूबसूरत।
sparkle when you're talking
Oh
about it.
yes, as for an artist, I think it's a dream come true.
Yeah?
And I was like, I just need my canvas, I need my artwork, brushes. So I went to art shop with my husband or Pani, and then I would go on the Dal Lake, just sit in the shikara and just painting and all. वहाँ की बकरवाल gypsy community की औरतें, so I can go on and on.
Yes, so I want to go a little deeper into it. Let's talk about Kashmiri heritage. I mean, we know Kashmir as their shawls, right? They're the most expensive, they're the most refined ones. And you're an artist. So give me an artist perspective into Kashmiri heritage.
Okay, yeah. I traveled with my mother to many craft villages, to a lot of craft villages जो उनके गाँव में होती हैं, artisans जो बनाते हैं। अब तो खैर तूश की shawls, they are forbidden the trade, but I've seen Hangu deers are getting extinct, and I'm also very sensitive towards rights of animals. I'm working on from my teenage on tiger preservations and all these Hangu deers, and for the rights of girl child within India also. And I started a campaign in Indian occupied Kashmir as well. So वो एक तो डियर्स का उनका है एक्सटिंक्शन, दूसरा ये है कि the hand embroidery that they're making, and how in Goa they're trying to kill the hand embroidery industry by making all those fake shawls and calling them Kashmiri shawls and selling them to tourists from around the world, because there's a huge market and demand for Kashmiri प्रोडक्ट्स। एंड इवन आर जो हमारे कारपेट्स होते हैं, करोड़ों में ऑक्शन होते हैं इन दुबई, But the tragedy is, Ali, it's so painful कि walnut furniture, अब जो आपने देखे हैं ना उनके पेपर माशी की जो चीज़ें होती हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स होती हैं, तो उन जाके हम विलेजेस में मैं और अम्मी जाते थे, और वो आर्टिजन्स इतनी बारीक को कर रहे होते हैं, एंड यू नो द पेंट्स दैट दे यूज वो मुगल एरा के हैं.
Really?
Yes,
They're not
real
acrylic
gold,
or
real
oil-based
gold. No, no, I'm
paints?
telling you, real
हाँ.
gold को वो मेल्ट करते हैं, रियल सिल्वर को करते हैं, रूबीज को मेल्ट करते हैं, एमरल्ड्स को, और उसके पेंट्स बनते हैं. तो वो आर्ट तो उस दौर में होती थी मुगल एरा में, वो और एन ईगल के पर विंग्स से वो ब्रश बनता है जिससे वो पेंट करते हैं पेपर माशी. तो इट्स लाइक यू नो they're लाइक फ्रॉम अनदर हेवनली वर्ल्ड, और जो उनका, एंड देर ऑल लाइक सिंगिंग पोइट्री मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, कुछ और ही दुनिया है वो, और फिर उतनी ही मिजरी भी है. दिस इज़ द ट्राई. तो क्या होता है उनके साथ, प्रोडक्ट्स वो बना लेते हैं, कोई मिडल मैन जो है वो उनको इंडियन होता है, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ दैम. कोई एक्सपोर्ट लाइसेंसेस नहीं है कश्मीरी जो वहाँ पे आर्टिजन्स हैं कि वो डायरेक्टली अपने प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं बाहर के मार्केट्स में वो सेल कर सकें. उनको लाइसेंस ही नहीं दिए जाते, जानबूझ के एक दो को दिए जाते हैं, उसके अलावा देर ऑल लाइक, और डेली वेजेस पे रखा होता है, फिर कर्फ्यूज़ आ जाते हैं तो पैसे नहीं मिलते. कोई मतलब कि उसका मिनिमम वेज का कॉन्सेप्ट ही कोई है ही नहीं वहाँ पे. तो आप वो जो एब्जेक्ट पावर्टी में भी रहना, अपनी आर्ट को भी लेके जाना, फिर रियल सोने की कढ़ाई होती है और चांदी की, जो मुग़ल एरा में होती थी, तिल्ले की कढ़ाई, उसमें इतना सा आप करें ना पोर्शन कढ़ाई करें, तो आपकी आँख का नंबर कम हो जाता है एक. तो वो एक ख़ास ख़ानदान है वहाँ पे, जो कि अगली नस्लों में वो ट्रांसफ़र करते जाते हैं, ये टैलेंट. तो वो भी जाके अम्मी और मैं, क्योंकि अम्मी भी बहुत सेंसिटिव थी आर्टिस्ट के राइट्स, तो हम लोगों का फिर ये प्लान बना कि हम लोग जो है ना इनके राइट्स के लिए, जब हमने पीस एंड कल्चर बनाई, कि हमने कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जोन्स के अंदर, जो वॉर जोन्स में जो कश्मीर के हैं, कि इनकी इकोनॉमी की बैकबोन है उनका कल्चर. जो भी कोई आता है इन्हीं प्रोडक्ट्स ही डिमांड करता है ना. चाहे आप कोई भी वर्ल्ड हेड ऑफ द स्टेट जो आता है इंडिया, तो उसको क्या प्रेजेंट किया जाता है, अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट, चाइनीज़ हो, कोई भी हो, उनको कश्मीर की शॉल्स,
बिल्कुल.
कश्मीर के फेरन्स हिलरी क्लिंटन पहने या मेलानिया पहने, या रॉयल फैमिलीज़ जो हैं फ्रांस की, कतर की, सऊदी अरेबिया की, तो यही दिया जाता है. मतलब हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स दिए जाते हैं, हमारे खून से वो बनते हैं, बट वी गेट नथिंग, पीनट्स आर पीपल. तो ये बहुत पेनफुल है.
Okay, so let me ask you another question. You're in Karachi right now. Uh, what can Karachi borrow from Kashmir and vice versa?
I don't know. I can't compare Karachi with Srinagar because they have their own essence. They have their own.
So we don't have to compare. We're just borrowing from each other.
I don't know. What do you want to borrow from Kashmir? I've shared. I don't know.
I think their art, their
The
heritage,
art.
the way you're
Okay.
talking about all these things, I
Okay.
think we could have artisans inspired here by them.
Yes.
If you ask me,
Yeah.
we could teach our children in our art schools. We have some of the
Oh.
best art schools in
Yes,
Karachi.
you
We
can
could teach
preserve
them
there. Yeah.
this heritage. We could make this into the
Amazing.
course. If you
Oh my
ask
God.
me,
Wow. Lovely. See?
I would bring
You're
this
so
here.
intelligent, mashallah.
So I would
This
bring
way
this
you can
here.
contribute to preserving their art and
Yes, and
giving
make it
them
into a
giving them a
mainstream.
market.
Yes, and make it into a mainstream
And I
subject.
was here on 5th August. I was here in Karachi, and I was lucky to have quite a few good events with business community, FPCCI, and I requested them that if they could establish a Kashmir Chamber of Commerce for the people of occupied Kashmir, and the ones that are settled abroad, give them a market, and give them that space and
So
voice
can I
for
give
their
you an
economic
idea?
rights, for their economic rights.
So I got an idea while
Yeah.
talking to you. Karachi has some of the best universities, right? You're here, mashallah. Why don't you tell them to start having research done on artists, on history, on these things in Kashmir? तो जब research papers आएंगे, ये जो आपने मुझे arts का artisans का बताया, I didn't
Yes.
know
Yeah.
about their history, because for us Kashmir is just those shots of rivers and valleys, right?
Yes.
Maybe we'll see the human element, the art element, the real side of Kashmir, and it'll become mainstream.
Really fear that it's really dying down if we don't preserve or become a voice to save this one of the richest heritage in the world. Their architecture, their carpets, their everything, even their horticulture, everything, their tourism, everything is dying. And when you're in a conflict zone, it's an ongoing war. तो पैसे के बगैर तो नहीं चल सकती ना. तो इकोनॉमी इनकी बैकबोन है, ये सारी चीज़ें जो कि बिकॉज ऑफ द हड़ताल, बिकॉज ऑफ द कर्फ्यू स्पेशली, बिकॉज ऑफ द ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन, द किलिंग ऑफ पीपल, वो शट डाउन हो जाना, बिजनेस का बहुत ट्रिलियंस का नुकसान हुआ है. 5 अगस्त के बाद हमारे चेंबर को वहाँ पे लोग तो ख़त्म हो गए, तबाह हो गए। हमारे वो जो एप्पल के जो ऑर्चर्ड्स हैं, फ्रूट के हैं, फिर उसके बाद राइस फील्ड्स को बर्न कर दिया गया। तो पीपल हैव रियली सफर्ड, अ वेरी पीसफुल, अ वेरी आर्टिस्टिक नेशन. So this is such a good tribute, and I think this could be one of the biggest favors we could give them. Even in World Economic Forum, they have rights for economic rights for people of conflict zones. So we can take this matter up there as well for
I
their
would tell you,
economic.
I can see the passion in your eyes when you're talking, right?
Uh-huh.
And I would tell you to also start advocating this.
Sure,
MashaAllah,
sure.
Allah Ta'ala has given you a platform, Allah Ta'ala has given you reach. People like to hear you, you can reach people's hearts. Maybe you can do something for them as well
Of
in your
course,
struggle. I
of
mean,
course.
kudos to your struggle.
Already doing it, already trying to do it, but not at a big scale. But yes, we did propose Kashmir Chamber of Commerce with the help of the business community here, if they could, give honorary membership to the Kashmiri business community there, and take up their issues to the world and give them a market. So let's do it together, Ali. I think you and this how to preserve it, how to teach it at universities, like the shawl weaving bhi ek science hai.
Bilkul. We have the Textile Institute here in,
Yes,
I don't know if you're aware, we have a Textile Institute of Pakistan
yes,
in
I
Karachi.
know, I'm well
So,
aware.
so
Yes,
you know,
and we can modify the farans. We can have their motifs on bags, on jeans, and make it more acceptable as a global,
I'm sure, I'm sure.
fashion statement.
We can make it into a
And
style
already
icon.
Zara has been doing that without, giving us the due credits, and other top designers. I don't want to name all of them, but they have been using the Kashmiri motifs, like the top designers of the world. But they've not given credit that this design is, this embroidery or this motif is Kashmiri. So we have to stand up for their rights, and give them that due credit.
Okay, so artists and thinkers, change makers who inspire you today.
Artists, I think I really like the paintings of Iqbal Hussain,
Okay.
and it's like so raw, the way he depicts women, the women facing prostitution, and the way he, portrayed the women of the diamond market in Lahore. It's like the expressions in their eyes, and I like Saad Khan a lot, and so many others. But I think the greatest artist ever, I think that is या मुसव्वरो, इट्स अल्लाह ताला. आई मीन किस तरह हर इंसान को एक यूनिक बनाए, हर एक मखलूक को. आई मीन आई जस्ट दिस इज़ अ वेरी हम्बल ट्रिब्यूट. आई थिंक व्हेन आई एम ड्राइंग समवन, इट्स लाइक गिविंग अ ट्रिब्यूट टू अल्लाह, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो अल्लाह के माइंड में क्या चल रहा होता है, जो इतनी बड़ी कायनात बनाई है, और तरह तरह की दुनिया है, मखलूक है, और एक दूसरे से
आपने
नहीं
बड़ी
मिलता,
गहरी
और
बात कर दी
इतने
है, बहुत
कलर्स हैं.
ज़्यादा. Mishal, your passion, your everything is awe-inspiring. Talking to you, I really want to go to Kashmir. Talking to you, I understand the place of sincerity where you come from, and I hope to have you on the show again. Inshallah, I wish you all the best for your efforts, and I pray that may this not stop here, but inshallah, you do more for the Kashmiri people as well. Inshallah, and thank you again for coming to my show. So that was it for this show. Until next week, stay curious, stay critical, and keep asking questions.